If you are selling products or services starting from $1,000 to over $100,000, this video is for you. We are going to look at building your very own sales process that will fulfill three things. Number one is to demonstrate value to build trust. Number two is to address specific needs and concerns of your clients. And number three is to eventually get more sales. And as a bonus, watch till the end of this video and I'll show you how you can get this sales process built for you for free. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we want to look at is the actual sales funnel itself. Let's go here and let's have a look at this sales funnel. So the purpose of this sales funnel is to get as many people, which is your traffic, to opt in and watch your sales page and to eventually make a booking in your booking calendar and to actually show up. So when it comes to traffic, it all starts with ads. So you need to have a compelling ad. And from the compelling ad, when somebody clicks through the ad, it goes to an opt-in page. So the opt-in page is simply just a very, very simple one page. The goal is to collect as much leads as possible. And to do this, we will have to have a compelling headline and to capture name and email. And the reason why we do this is because it is a low commitment. All they need to do is to put in their name and their email. And the goal for this is so that we can get as many leads as possible and so that we have an opportunity to follow up with them. And the reason why is because, say they go to the next page and they will watch a video here. And if they close it, we still have their email. So we're able to have a nurture sequence, follow up with them, and eventually close more of those people. The next thing after the opt-in page is a sales page. This sales page comprises of just two things. It is just an educational video, and below it is a button to go to the next page. So this video is actually a educational video. Whatever you're selling, whether it's coaching or if you're an agency, this video is an educational video where you demonstrate your expertise and you build trust, and you're actually giving away free content that they will go like, oh wow, I can do this on my own. And the reason why we want to make this an educational video is actually teaching is one of the best ways to sell. When someone actually learns something, they will lower down their guard. They are more open to your product or service as a solution. So the other thing that we'll do right here is to tell them a price range of what your product and or services, because you don't want to get on a call with them and they are surprised of how much the price of your products or services are. So after they are interested, after they watch the video and they are interested and they click next, they'll go to a booking page. All this page is basically a booking calendar where they can select a time and date of their choice and to book onto your calendar. And once they do that, we will come to the thank you page where we will congratulate them for signing up. And the reason why we're doing this is so that we can increase the show up rate and to set expectations. What will they learn when they get on a call with us? And the other thing we would like to do is to tell them to pull up their phones and block it on their calendar. Okay, so this is the sales process. And if you were to dive deeper, this is actually what is going to happen in this high ticket sales process. Once they come from the ads, or it's a referral, or they click a link from your social media bio and they come to your opt-in page and they actually put in their name and email, what will happen is they'll get a welcome email and then we'll send them nurture sequences. If they go all the way down and they went to the application page, which is the booking page, and they booked a slot on your calendar, we will stop sending them all these emails because they already invested, they already booked on your calendar. The other scenario is once they put in their email and it goes to the sales page and then they close the page, what happens is we will send all these nurture emails, and if they are actually interested and they click on it, they will be sent into this sales page where we will try to get them to go to the application page. Okay, so after they're in the sales page and they make a booking on your application page, we will go to the confirmation page, and the next step is actually to get them to the strategy call itself. The time and date depends on what they book on your calendar. For this to happen, we will actually tell After they booked on your calendar, we will send them appointment confirmations through SMS and email. And then one day before, you can send another SMS and email. 3 hours before, another SMS and email reminder, and 1 hour before. And the reason why we do this is so that we can increase the show up rate of people coming to your strategy call. Once they're on the strategy call, it's either they show up or they don't show up. Let's start with if they don't show up. If they don't show up, what we'll do is we move them to a no-show pipeline where we'll automatically send them reschedule email and SMS appointment reschedule emails and SMS, and we'll send them 5 times with 24 hours apart from these emails. And if they did click, we will send them to, actually it's not here, it's the application page where they will book a time on your calendar and you'll follow the sequence again. If they did show up, we will move them into a follow-up pipeline stage and where we can send out proposals. And at this stage, after we send out proposals, we can send out follow-up sequences to get them to look into the proposal and to digitally sign the proposal. After that is done, what we will do is automatically send out an invoice based on the proposal, and we'll send them payment reminders 5 times, 1 day apart, until they did make a payment, and then we'll actually deliver the product or the service to this client. So if you are a consultant, a coach, software provider, real estate agent, financial advisor, marketing agency, or law firm, or you sell anything that's above $1,000, if you like to get this whole sales process built for you, just type in high ticket down below and I'll show you how you can get this for free. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you learned something, please leave a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.